Good morning, dear students. The first exercise of chapter I have already completed before your unit test. So today I am going to start the B exercise of 7th chapter. Those who have not yet started, they can watch the first video of chapter 7 to understand this words problem. Okay, this chapter is totally based on words problem, this exercise. So in the first part I have already explained that how can we get the percentage and what is the percentage. Okay, so let's begin this exercise. We have the first question: what percentage of a day in the time duration of 3 hours? We know that one day is equals to 24 hours. Okay, and we have to get the percentage of 3 hours in a day. So 3 hours upon total hours of the day. Total hours of the day is 24 hours into 100. This is 3 8 is 24. This is 12.5%. Okay. Next we have the second question. I will explain some questions of this exercise and the other will be done by you. Okay, because I've already explained about the percentage, I'm going to explain the words problem. If you have any queries, then those queries I will clear, but first you will try to solve. The second question we have, if the picture of the question is blurred, then you have your books, so you can read the question from your book. Second question is, about 67% of a human body's total weight is water. Aparna weighs 70 kilogram. How much of her weight is water? About 67% of a human body's total weight is water. The percentage of water is equals to 67%. We have 67% water in our body, and the weight of Aparna is 70 kilogram. Get the weight of the water. So weight of water is equals to 67% of 70. 67 upon 100 into 70. Let's simplify. This is 46.9%. Sorry, 46.9. This is 70 kg, na? So it is kg. Okay. This much amount is of water. In third question, we have a person's salary increases from 7,200 to 8,100. What is the percentage increase? Originally he had 7,200 and now he had 8,100. By subtracting we can get the increase in salary. The percentage increase upon original into 100. Easily you can get. Now in fourth one, a fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% apple and still has 420 apples. How many apples originally have? He sells 40%. We know that total percentage is 100%. If he sells 40%, then how much percentage is left? Left percentage is equals to 100 minus 40, that is 60%. Let the total apples be x. Let the total apples be x. So 60% of x is equals to the left apples. Left apple is 420. Get the value of x by simplifying. 60 by 100 into x is equals to 420. So x is equals to 420 into 100 upon 60. X is 700. X is 700. Originally he had 700 apples. Next question is question number 5. In fifth question, it is given that a water pipe is cut into two pieces. This is the water pipe. It is cut into two pieces. The longer piece is 70%. It is 70%. So the shorter is 30%. So first write the shorter piece is equals to 30% of the total. Okay. Let the total length be bx. Okay. So length of longer piece 70% of x. This is 70 into x by 100. This is 7x by 10. And length of shorter piece 30% of x. This is also 30 into x by 100. Zeros cancel. This is 3x by 10. You have to get that percentage is the longer piece longer. How much the longer piece is longer? Longer than the shorter. How much? By subtracting we can get 7x by 10 minus 3x by 10. It is 4x by 10. Okay. So percentage is equals to, you have to get the percentage of longer piece longer. How much it is longer? 4x by 10. Then the shorter. Then means you will put it in denominator. The shorter one is 3x by 10 into 100. X is cancel out, 10 is cancel out. So it will be 400 by 3%. Okay. So I hope it is clear. I will explain one more question. I'm going to explain the ninth one. Okay. Ninth question. In ninth question, it is given that in an examination, there were 1100 boys and 900 girls. Total boys 1100 and girls 900. Okay. 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls passed the examination. You have to get the percentage of the failed. 50% of boys passed the examination. So how many failed? 100 minus 50%, that is 50% of boys failed. How many? What is the percentage of the girls? 40% of girls passed the examination. Passed the exam. So how many failed? 100 minus 40. That is 60% of girls failed. Get the number of passed boys. Number of failed. Sorry, failed you have to get. Failed boys is equals to 1100 into 50 by 100. This is 55. Sorry, 550. And number of girls failed. How many girls were there? 900. And how many were failed? 60%. This is 540 girls failed and 550 boys failed. So the total failed 550 plus 540. This is 590. Sorry, 1090. This is the total number of candidates who failed. and total candidate, total students 1100 boys, 900 girls. This is 2000. So percentage of failed is equals to 1090 upon 2000 into 100. These two zeros cancel, it is cancel. 54.5%. So I hope it is understood. If you have any queries, then you can ask. Thank you. Solve the other questions by your own, and if you have problem, then ask me personally. Thank you.